Falcons 53-52. The AG Archers end the first round with a 3-4 record. We have Coach Cholo Villanueva, Saida Rubico, and Kayla Suma. Coach, congratulations for this victory, although the fourth quarter was not that probably you wanted, but you still able to pull up this up. So what can you say about your team's effort in this game and what that team needs to improve, especially still not in the final?
Yun, for us, the girls didn't want to give up that lead today. We were in control of the game, but we made some mistakes down the stretch. We are going to improve on, but not relinquishing that lead and wanting to win the game. I credit my girls for that because they had that winning mentality down the stretch to make the right plays. Especially on that last challenge by Kyla Suma, on that 3-point by Meñano. That was a very good challenge to win the game for us. And we win games through our defense. That's one good example for us na we made a stop to win the game.
Thank you to Kyla. 8 points and 5 rebounds. So yun nga, very crucial yung very crucial defensive stop of Meñano. Pero ano kailangan yung gawin ba? Siyempre, hindi maulit yung mga ganitong situation sa second round. Especially, you're still in the hunt in the final four. What can you say?
Siguro para po sa akin, yung turnover po namin. Kasi yun po yung laging nangyayari sa team po namin. Yung marami po kaming turnovers and kailangan po talaga namin mag-stop sa kanila para males din po yung chance na makapuntos po sila.
Thank you. To Syla, you had 12 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals, and plus 11. So yun nga, this is a very important win, especially after 0-4. Nanalo kayo ng tatlong sunod and you're very much in the hunt sa Final Four. So, what can you say? Ano pa yung tingin mo nakikita mo sa team para umangat pa sa second round?
I believe we have a lot to improve on pass, especially on our offensive end and our defensive end. And marami talaga akong tiwala sa team, especially to my coaches and teammates. So, yun po.
Thank you. Okay. Go ahead, guys.
Coach, yun nga, first 4 games, all losses, then ito 3 straight wins. Tingin mo lang ano yung nagbago sa team? Yeah.
I think it's the confidence of these girls. I saw their potential even from the preseason. We had a very good preseason training. Again, the UAP is a different beast, different animal. So we just need to getting used to the environment, the drums, the bigger coliseums. Eventually, now we're in a good rhythm. We're just thinking about what the game plan is. Who are we going to stop? How are we going to be playing offense? We're just playing basketball now, and we're having fun. So we want to keep this rhythm. I'm very confident with my team that they can recover from our start. We're still in the hunt. So hopefully the second round will be giving a better showing towards the end of the season.
Sa players, yun nga, good rhythm na 3 straight wins. Tingin nyo lang anong kailangan pang gawin para magpatuloy-tuloy ito hanggang sa 7?
Siguro sa akin, usap lang talaga sa loob and syempre kung may nagkamali, kailangan i-cheer up siya tapos yun. Syempre manalig lang kami kay Lord talaga.
Sa akin naman po, tiwala lang po sa teammates namin and confidence lang din po sa sarili para makabigay ng impact sa team.
Coach, this game, third quarter, again, dun kayo nakatry. Enough para hindi na mahabol ng tuluyan ni Adamson. Well, positive na nakakaroon kayo, concerned ba yun na kailangan mag-halftime break muna bago mag-isip?
It's a good thing na we can make those adjustments pagdating ng halftime, what kind of schemes ang ginagawa ng kalaban sa amin. But again, the challenge now is playing the game for 40 minutes. We're winning games for 20 minutes, especially that second half. Pero the challenge for us now this second round, and we're finding new challenges, is winning a game was one, Now the new challenge is being consistent for 40 minutes from the start of the game until finishing the game. Being focused on every possession. Kasi we have a lot of skilled players, especially in women's basketball, are very skilled. One mistake that you make, they capitalize on the other end. So the challenge for us, especially, I'm very confident with my girls that they can be consistent from that first second of the game until the last second of the game to win us games.
Thank you very much, Coach. Congratulations, Coach.